Hey folks, Jim from Salvinos J R Models, and I have something else new for this month. It is the Kyle Larson livery that he drove at the Coca-Cola 600 the day at the afternoon after the Indy 500. I was hoping to get my Kyle Larson Indy 500 livery IndyCar before I did this video, but you know what? I'll probably do another video with that car and drag this guy out to compare. But anyway, let's take a look and see what's inside here. Yeah, you know most of it's the same stuff, with the exception of the decal sheets, the wonderful work of Mr. Clay Kemp. So let's take a look and see what's going on inside. Okay, so here we go. Not much difference on there. And let me just dig out the glass. The glass tree looks like the glass tree should look. We got his. Oh, I thought this was going to be a white car underneath. Nope, it's a blue car. So the decals will be white. Yeah, it'll make it a little bit more simple on you. Round and squishy are indeed round and squishy, and actually they feel a little softer than some have recently. Okay, you know what's in the bag. And if you don't, go look at the, there's a couple videos on the chassis jig and one called Oops. There's a couple little tweaks you want to do on a couple of the parts in here that'll make the assembly so much easier. Okay. And now to the important stuff. It's easier getting out of the box that way, you know. Okay, so there is our placemat of all the directions, and I don't know if Clay incorporated a couple of the little hints. It says trim to fit the firewall sockets. That's a good hint. There's a little bit of angle draft on these parts in here that you want to trim, and on these parts there's a triangular shaped socket here. You want to trim just a tiny bit off the triangle tips on that part, and it'll make assembly a lot easier. There is our decal placement sheet for everything. There we got some white Hendrick.com decals that'll go on like your hood. Simplify it. There is our black sheet. And there is the main sheet. Ooh-hoo, with the day glow. It's almost a pinky orange. It's a, I don't know what you'd call that, but it is more than brighter than a standard orange. So anyway, those look very nice and well done, of course, by Mr. Clay Kemp. So you'll have a beautiful building experience. And I should have pointed out in the decal sheet, Captain Cullen. Thank you to the family of Captain Cullen for his service for us all, and so that was a great tribute to the fallen soldiers that day. We thank them and their families for what they've done for this country. Anyway, there we have the what's inside the Kyle Larson Coca-Cola 600 kit. Not that it's labeled Coca-Cola 600, but you know what that race was at Charlotte. So anyway, that's what's in that kit, and I should have the IndyCar in a few days. I will bring that back out, and we'll compare the decal sheets between that and the the phone book. That is the decal sheets for the Indy cars compared to the simplicity of the decals for a Cup car. That's saying something when our decal sheets for our Cup cars are simpler than another one of our kits. So you guys who have built them know. Anyway, thank you for building Salvinos J R Models. Rick Salvino and myself, as a couple old guys, we greatly appreciate the opportunity to live out our dreams doing what we do, so that you guys can build your masterpieces on the canvases that I stretch for you guys. So thanks again, and I'll talk at you in a couple days, and come join us Saturday mornings on YouTube for our regular weekly Saturday morning show on what's going on in the world of Salvinos J R Models.